Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview 20-foot by 48-inch swimming pool with accessories. The swimming pool 20-foot by 48-inch helps you enjoy a great time with the whole family. Kids and adults of all ages can enjoy frame swimming pool, so you can relax your splashing pool party in the backyard. This swimming pool super tough sidewalls made with 3-ply materials. A durable, yet lightweight PVC material provides structural integrity to your pool. Get ready to have hot summer fun in minutes. Add a touch of color to your summer family gathering. Product benefits. Easy to assemble, no tools, ready for water 60 minutes. Walls made is laminated PVC siding with 3 separate material layers for strength and durability. The package includes sand filter pump, pool ladder, ground cloth, pool cover, 2 inflatable lounger and cooler. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.